Hi, this is Pradeep Sharma, and in this video I'll show you how to upload the data into the HDFS file system and create Hive queries to manipulate this data. So let's get started.
Hive provides a database query interface to Apache Hadoop. Hive is used because of its SQL-like query structure and used as the interface to an Apache Hadoop-based data warehouse. We are going to do the same data processing task. We have the truck driver statistics and we are going to bring them into the Hive and do the simple computing. We are going to compute the sum of hours and miles driven by a truck driver for an year. And then we will be joining two different tables to view the result. So our first step will be uploading the data files. So here I have uploaded this driver CSV and timesheet CSV using Unix commands to Hadoop file system. Here is the listing of these files. So these files are present in Cloudera and Hive file structure in the Hadoop file system. Our second step will be to start the Hive view. We can simply write Hive in the terminal and press enter to start the Hive view. Our first task in the Hive is to create a table to hold the data. At this point of time, we are creating empty table temp drivers by using these commands. Next, we will load the data file drivers.csv into the table temp underscore drivers. So using this command, we are getting the data from drivers.csv, and here's the data, the first 10 records of the table. So the next thing we want to do is to extract the data and load into the table drivers. So first we will type in the query to create a new table called drivers to hold the data. This table will have 6 columns. Then we extract the data we want from temp drivers and copy it into the drivers. We will do this with a regex pattern, and to do this we are going to build up a multi-line query. The 6 regexp extract calls are going to extract the driver ID, name, SSN, location, certified and the wage plan fields from the table temp drivers and load into the table drivers. So here's the command to create new table drivers, and these are the regexp extract we are talking about. Uh, the important thing in this command that it is the other form of map and reduce function also. So we can see that our table is been loaded with the new data, and we can read the data from the table drivers also. So we will do the same for timesheet table also. We have created a temporary table timesheet and we have extracted data from this using regexp extract command. So now we have the data fields we wanted. The next step is to group the data by driver ID so we can find the sum of the hours and miles logged score for an year. This query first groups all the record by driver ID and then selects the driver with the sum of the hours and the miles logged runs for that year. So this is our query, and by running, as we earlier said, it is nothing but just another form of map reduce programs. So this is the output of our query.
In the final step, we are taking the previous table and joining it with the driver records, and it is to get the final table. So this is our query which we have run, and this is all map reduce thing which was going into the background, and this is the table, this is the data we were looking for. So this is the name of the driver, this is the miles driven, and this is the hours. So finally we have created queries to filter the data to show the sum of the hours and the miles logged by each driver. Thanks for watching it. Have a nice day ahead.